Welcome back, House Hunters. Today we're heading to the stunning region of Liguria in northern Italy, where dramatic mountains meet the Mediterranean coast to explore 10 incredible, affordable homes currently on the market, ranging from just 35,000 euros up to 149,000 euros. From historic village houses tucked away in medieval hill towns to spacious countryside villas with gardens, terraces, and panoramic views, this collection shows just how far your budget can stretch in one of Italy's most beautiful and character-filled regions. Whether you're dreaming of a seaside escape near the Italian Riviera, a peaceful mountain retreat, or a renovation project with serious potential, there's something here for every type of buyer. What makes Liguria so special is its variety. One moment you're in a quiet medieval village surrounded by olive groves, and the next you're just a short drive from beaches, coastal towns, and vibrant local culture. Let's get started and explore 10 of the best affordable homes currently for sale across Liguria. First, we arrive in Ni, located in the Genoa province of Liguria, where this characterful village house is set within the scenic hillside hamlet of Statal. The property is listed at just 35,000 euros and offers around 100 meters squared of living space, with 2 bedrooms, making it an incredibly affordable opportunity in northern Italy. Positioned at approximately 600 meters above sea level, the home offers a peaceful lifestyle away from the crowds, while still being within around 30 minutes of the Ligurian coast. On the ground floor, the entrance opens into a large cellar with impressive ceiling height. This space has a raw rustic character with exposed materials and plenty of room to be transformed into a storage area or even a cozy tavern-style living space. An internal staircase leads up to the main living level, where you'll find a bright and functional dining room combined with an open-plan kitchen. This area feels like the heart of the home, with a simple, practical layout that could easily be modernized. The bathroom is also located on this level, completing the core living space. Continuing upstairs, the sleeping area includes 2 bedrooms, a double and a single, both overlooking a quiet village alley. These rooms have a traditional feel with natural light coming in and enough space to create comfortable, peaceful retreats. At the top of the property, the attic room adds an extra layer of versatility. This space could be used as a studio, additional bedroom, or relaxation area. From here, there is direct access to a small private terrace, one of the standout features of the home, perfect for enjoying morning coffee or quiet evenings surrounded by nature. Next, we arrive in Urbe in the Savona province of Liguria, where this charming semi-detached countryside home offers space, land, and a peaceful natural setting at an affordable price. The property is listed at just 55,000 euros and provides around 80 meters squared of living space, along with a generous plot of nearly 5,000 meters squared, making it an excellent option for those seeking a rural lifestyle in northern Italy. The home is set just a short distance from the provincial road, offering easy access while still enjoying a quiet and private environment surrounded by greenery. Inside, the property has a traditional and functional layout, accessed via a small balcony that leads into the main living space. The kitchen is simple but full of character, featuring a wood-burning stove that creates a warm and rustic focal point, perfect for cozy evenings and adding to the home's authentic Italian charm. The layout continues with 2 bedrooms, both offering comfortable accommodation with natural light and peaceful views of the surrounding countryside. These rooms are practical in size and can easily be adapted for family use, guests, or even a home office. A bathroom completes the interior, positioned conveniently within the layout for everyday use. One of the standout features of this property is the large windowed garage, which provides an excellent additional space. This could be used not only as for a parking space, but also as a workshop storage area or hobby space depending on your needs. Outside, the property truly shines with its expansive land of nearly 5,000 meters squared, mostly laid to lawn. This offers huge potential for gardening, creating a vegetable plot, keeping animals, or simply enjoying outdoor living in a peaceful setting. Next, we arrive in Murialdo in the Savona province of Liguria, where this spacious terraced home offers a blend of traditional character, generous interior space, and excellent outdoor features. The property is listed at 75,000 euros and provides around 140 meters squared of living space, with 2 bedrooms, along with a garden, garages, and multiple additional rooms. Set in the quiet Isola Grande area, the home is part of a traditional row of houses but benefits from being detached on 3 sides, giving it a greater sense of privacy and natural light. The surrounding environment is lovely and green, offering a rural lifestyle without being completely isolated. Inside, the property is arranged over 3 levels and has already been renovated, meaning it is immediately habitable while still offering scope to personalize. On the ground floor, there are 2 well-finished cellars and paved floors. These spaces are particularly versatile and could easily be used as storage, workshops, or even converted into a cozy tavern-style entertaining area, adding valuable extra living space to the home. Moving up to the first floor, you enter the main living area, which includes a fully habitable kitchen and separate living room. The kitchen is practical and welcoming, offering enough space for everyday cooking and dining, while the living room provides a comfortable area to relax. A bathroom with an anteroom is located on this level, adding convenience and functionality to the layout. On the second floor, the sleeping area includes 2 bedrooms along with an additional toilet. The bedrooms are well sized and benefit from natural light, creating a perfect space for rest. The home is heated with pellet stoves with the option to add another stove or wood-burning fireplace, enhancing both comfort and traditional charm. Outside, the property continues to impress. Directly in front of the house, there are private parking spaces, while across the municipal road you'll find a large fenced garden. This outdoor feature is a standout feature, complete with an automatic irrigation system and a wooden pergola, perfect for outdoor dining, gardening, or relaxing in the fresh Ligurian air. In addition, the property includes 2 garages, providing ample space for vehicles, storage, or workshop use. Next, we arrive in Andana, a peaceful hillside hamlet near Molini di Triora in Liguria's Imperia province, where this spacious country house offers incredible potential for just €89,000, with around 160 meters squared of living space. The property is set within a traditional mountain village surrounded by forests, valleys, and beautiful walking trails, creating a quiet and authentic atmosphere ideal for nature lovers. Inside, the home is spread across multiple levels and offers a flexible layout full of rustic character. On the ground floor, there is a kitchen with a dining area, a double bedroom, a single bedroom, and a bathroom with natural light, along with additional basement and cellar spaces currently used for storage and laundry. An old workshop with its own entrance adds even more potential for creative or practical use. Upstairs, the layout divides into 2 separate wings connected by a terrace overlooking the valley. On one side, it includes a living room, bathroom, and 2 bedrooms, while the other features an additional kitchen and 2 more double bedrooms, giving the property excellent flexibility for guests, extended family, or rental opportunities. Outside, an electric gate leads into a private courtyard with parking and a long garage, while a small area of flat land beside the house offers space for a vegetable garden or outdoor seating area. And with its size, traditional charm, and peaceful mountain setting, this property is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to create a countryside retreat in rural Liguria. Next, we arrive in Melissimo in the Savona province of Liguria, where this spacious detached villa offers generous interior living space, extensive land, and excellent potential for a family home or countryside retreat. The property is listed at €110,000 and provides around 202 meters squared of living space, with 3 bedrooms set on a large 3,000 meter squared plot. Inside, the property is arranged over multiple levels and offers a bright, open, and functional layout. On the ground floor, the home opens into a large double living room, which immediately stands out as a central feature. The room is both spacious and welcoming, with a fireplace adding warmth and character, making it ideal for family gatherings or relaxing evenings. Adjacent to the living area is a bright eat-in kitchen offering plenty of space for cooking and dining. A bathroom with a window is also located on this level, adding convenience for daily living. Upstairs, the sleeping area includes 3 large double bedrooms, all offering generous proportions. And also on this floor is an additional room that could easily be converted into a second bathroom, adding further practicality and value to the home. On the lower level, the property includes a large basement/warehouse space with impressive ceiling height. This area is highly versatile and could be used as a storage, workshop, hobby area, or even further developed depending on needs. Outside, the property continues to impress with its extensive outdoor space. At the front, there is a large paved and fenced area, ideal for secure parking and easy access. At the rear, a spacious terrace offers open views and a perfect spot for outdoor dining, relaxing, or entertaining. The surrounding land of approximately 3,000 meters squared is mostly flat, making it highly usable. Whether you're looking to create a garden, grow your own vegetables, keep animals, or simply enjoy outdoor space, this plot offers a wide range of possibilities. In addition, the property includes a second independent building featuring 3 large garages with underlying storage area, ideal for multiple vehicles, equipment, or workshop use. Next, we arrive in Riva Faraldi, a small hillside village near Villa Faraldi in the Imperia province of Liguria, where this truly unique detached home offers a different take on Italian living. The property is listed at €119,000 and provides around 65 meters squared living space with 1 bedroom, along with a beautiful 200 meters squared private garden just 4 kilometers from the sea. Set in a beautiful and scenic location overlooking the valley, the home enjoys a peaceful atmosphere while still being a short drive from the Ligurian coastline. Inside, the property is compact and intentionally simple, designed more as a retreat than a traditional full-time residence. The living space is arranged vertically across 2 levels, with 2 stacked rooms connected by a small internal staircase. This layout creates a cozy, almost studio-like feel where each space flows naturally into the next. The main living area is intimate and minimal, offering just enough space for relaxing and everyday use, while maintaining a warm and authentic character. The kitchen and dining area are simple and functional, designed for light use rather than large-scale entertaining. Upstairs, the sleeping area continues this theme, providing a private space that feels tucked away from the outside world. The bathroom is compact and essential, completing the interior with a practical and low-maintenance layout. In addition to the main living space, the property includes 2 extra rooms adjacent to the house. These can be used for storage, workshops, or even creative spaces such as an artist studio, adding flexibility despite the compact interior. However, the true highlight of this property is the outdoor space. The 200 meters squared south-facing garden is where the home really comes to life. Thoughtfully arranged, it includes a shaded pergola, a large-scale dining table for outdoor meals, a barbecue area, and a lovely seating corner. From here you can enjoy open views across the valley, with even a glimpse of the sea in the distance. This space effectively becomes the main living area during the warmer months, making the property feel larger than its interior size suggests. Now we arrive in the historic mountain village of Triora, where this stunning 4-story townhouse offers a rare opportunity to own a spacious and character-filled home in one of Italy's most atmospheric medieval settings. The property is listed at €120,000 and features around 150 meters squared living space. Inside, the home is spread across 4 levels, offering excellent space and flexibility. On the ground floor, you'll find 2 large cellars with generous proportions, perfect for storage, winemaking, or conversion into a hobby or tavern-style space. The first floor introduces the main living area, featuring a cozy living room with kitchenette, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom, an ideal self-contained space for guests or short-term rental potential. On the second floor, the home opens further into a bright living room and a fully equipped kitchen, complete with a balcony and laundry area. A traditional wood-burning fireplace adds warmth and character, creating a welcoming atmosphere during the cooler mountain months. The top floor hosts 2 additional bedrooms, including a large double room, along with a second bathroom, and another balcony that offers beautiful open views across the surrounding mountains and rooftops of the village. Natural light flows throughout the home thanks to its dual exposure, enhancing the sense of space and openness. The property is in excellent condition and sold furnished in a classic style, making it ready to move into immediately. It also benefits from nearby land included in the sale, not adjacent though, offering extra value and potential. Now we arrive in the beautiful medieval village of Isola Bona, where this charming, fully renovated village home offers an authentic Italian lifestyle in the heart of the historic center. The property is listed at €125,000 and features around 60 meters squared living space. Inside, the layout is both unique and full of personality. On the ground floor, you're welcomed by a spacious wellness-style bathroom featuring both a shower and a bathtub, an unexpected luxury in a home of this size. On the first floor, the home opens into a warm and inviting living space with a rustic-style kitchen and dining area. A wood-burning fireplace sits at the heart of the room, creating a cozy focal point that adds real charm during cooler months. The second floor hosts the main bedroom filled with natural light from the 2 large windows. The vaulted ceilings enhance the sense of space and highlight the traditional character of the home. And at the top level, you'll find a small but charming living area that leads directly out onto a romantic 6-meter squared terrace. This private outdoor space is perfect for enjoying a morning coffee or a glass of wine in the evening while overlooking the rooftops of the village. Now we arrive in the peaceful countryside of Sesta Godano, where this beautiful detached villa is surrounded by greenery, open views, and complete tranquility. The property is listed at €149,000 and offers around 143 meters square living space. It's set in an elevated and private position in the heart of the Ligurian hills. This villa offers a rare combination of space, nature, and comfort while still being within reach of the coast. Inside, the home is well laid out. You enter into a welcoming hallway that leads into a bright and spacious living room, complete with a traditional fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings at home. The adjoining eat-in kitchen is generously sized, making it ideal for family meals and entertaining. Upstairs, the sleeping area features two large double bedrooms, both bright and well proportioned. One of the bedrooms includes a walk-in wardrobe, adding extra practicality and storage space. The bathroom is modern and functional, complete with a window and shower, and one of the true highlights of this property is the spectacular covered terrace, accessible directly from the kitchen. This outdoor space comes with a wood-fired oven and panoramic views stretching across the valley. Outside, the villa is surrounded on all four sides by a private garden, offering plenty of space for relaxation, gardening, or family activities. The property also includes two covered parking spaces, a large versatile outbuilding that can be used as a garage or workshop, and a spacious cellar for storage of wine or winemaking. Despite its peaceful and secluded setting, the villa is well connected. The coastline and seaside towns such as Levanto and Sestri Levante can be reached within a reasonable drive, making this an excellent balance between countryside living and access to the sea. Now we arrive in the peaceful countryside village of Murialdo, where this rare and versatile property offers not one, but two fully habitable homes surrounded by greenery, privacy, and mountain tranquility. The property is listed at €79,000 and features around 260 meters square living space. Set in the quiet hamlet of Ponte di Murialdo, this home is just around 40 minutes from the Ligurian coast, offering a unique balance between peaceful countryside living and easy access to the sea. The main house is warm, welcoming, and already fully furnished, meaning it is ready to move into immediately. Inside, you are greeted by a spacious eat-in kitchen followed by a comfortable living room and two well-sized bedrooms. A bright bathroom with a window completes the main floor. The layout is practical and well maintained, with improvements carried out over the last few years. One of the standout features is the bright veranda, which connects to a large attic space. This upper level offers excellent flexibility and could easily be used as an additional bedroom, office, or creative studio depending on your needs. On the lower level, the property reveals a stunning stone wall basement full of character and atmosphere. This space is ideal for social gatherings, wine evenings, or cozy winter dinners, giving the home a real rustic Italian charm. Additional cellar rooms provide even more storage and practicality. The second house sits adjacent to the main property and offers further independence and potential. It includes a kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, along with a large ground floor storage area that could be used as a workshop, hobby space, or guest accommodation. Outside, the property includes around 800 meters squared of land located a short distance away, offering space for a vegetable garden, relaxation area, or outdoor dining surrounded by nature. With two homes, furnished interiors, generous space, and strong flexibility for family living or rental use, this is a truly rare opportunity in the Ligurian countryside.